Hello guys, welcome in our channels. We will see today the new update on correct drift tracing online, update 2.80. It is an amazing update. It have got new cars like Corona, like Unicorn, like Patron GT, and the last Eleganto. It's like an LFA in the reality, and we have got police cars, new body kits with radio liveries in the judge and inner captor, and you will see now one short clip of my taste in a drift car. This judge car police have got very nice handling. It makes easy walking. It's very fantastic car. Look at this, it's an mega backward. I suggest you to buy this game, and I hope you like this video. Make a subscribe and like, and I hope you like it. See you in the next video.